Ready?
I have a cat. His name is Rishi. His fur is white and he likes fish. He hunts and walks about my house. He's always out to get a mouse. I play with him and keep him clean. A smarter cat you have never seen.
Good. Next.
The sun shines clear as silver, the moon shines bright like gold, and both are very lovely and very, very old. God hung them as lanterns, for all we need the sky, and nobody can blow them out, so they are up too high.
Okay, fine. Well done. Clapping.